Hello friend, I'm Joke KH Post. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show this is a multifunctional belt sander, mini portable, low noise, can be used for high-speed steel drill bit rough grinding, blade edging, fine grinding tungsten steel turning tool, polishing body root, etc. Easy to install and operate, is a home DIY tool. Features: the body is made of all stainless steel laser cutting, strong and practical. The work table angle can be adjusted at will, which is easy to use. The abrasive belt wheels have built-in double bearing, non-slip design and smooth operation. The motor uses double bearings. High speed, high torque and quieter. With anti-vibration adjustable height foot pads, you can also remove the foot pads and screw the machine on the table or wood for convenient use. The sand belt is uniform, not easy to lose sand, more wear resistant.